guys, today we're going to make this delicious banana milkshake that you can have even if you're fasting. Let's get started. The milk that we are using for this recipe is saffron milk or Kesar milk. So we are going to make that. So add half cup milk to a saucepan and then add 4 to 5 strands of Kesar or saffron and give it a good mix. And we will boil it for 2 to 3 minutes till the milk gets the light yellow color and it is going to be very fragrant. So till then we have to boil our milk. It may take a while, but after 3 to 4 minutes you will notice that the color of the milk will start to turn yellow, and this is the right time to switch off the flame. After you turn off the flame, add 1/4 cup more milk to this Kesar milk and stir the mixture. Don't worry, the color won't change because of adding more milk to it. Just stir it, and our Kesar milk is ready to go in the fridge. Keep it in your fridge for about 5 minutes. Kesar milk has come to room temperature now. Let's make the banana milkshake. So here I have 1 chopped banana in a bowl. To this I am going to add the Kesar milk. Then I am going to add 2 teaspoons jaggery. If you want to use sugar, you can use sugar, but I am not using sugar in this recipe. A tablespoon of honey. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. These are some soaked and chopped dry fruits. These include cashews, pistachios, walnuts and almonds. This is around 1/4 cup. Then a tablespoon of condensed milk. Condensed milk is optional. A tablespoon of fresh cream. Fresh cream is also optional. And now it's time to blend all of this. I'm using a blender to do this, but if you want to do this, grind this in a mixer jar, you can do it in a mixer jar. Let's blend all of it. So our milkshake is ready. Now we will transfer it to a glass. I'm going to top it with some cream and some chopped nuts. You can top it as you want. So here I have some cream. Let's top this. Finally, I'm going to put a piece of banana here and some chopped nuts. You can top it as you want. Enjoy!